am I going to get down? From the forestry office, and it included this little river. When you're fishing these little mountain rivers, you've got to stick your fly in every available bit of pocket of water, just in case. So the scrambling required here. Some of the slate crumbles underneath with the weight. So, wow! Don't like fishing it downstream, but there you go. Yes, some brown. Cool, and for my first fish of the day, I'm happy. Fine like little, nice. Oh, I wet my hand with the net. I thought it would be just off the current there, lying on the slack water. Oh, so many fish. Yeah, nicer fish. Okay, nicer little brownie. Okay, not a dry eye. And a house. I'm trying to catch those ones. Those cheeky little ones that were rising. In the back of the pool there. Down the current. Oh, that's off. Bigger. There we go. There's one. By God, it's a rainbow. Okay, it goes back in. It's a nice little rainbow. The fly is in the net, it's in the fish, it's everywhere. Bloody crazy rainbows. They're all taking the fly, so drop it, just... Yeah, I've got to handle you. Dream. Just got me across there. Beautiful, I'm warm, I wanted to go swimming in this river. Ooh, and then I was pulling it and the fish was swimming after it like a lure. Hopefully he's still in the mood. Come on, there's a fly now. I think that's a brown trout. See the brown trout? Mr. Innocent taught me well. The cod striker taught me to cod strike. That last pool was shallow. You ain't seen nothing yet. I'm practicing my singing for when I'm in a bear part of the little run over there, but I need to stay far away, so I need to cast along the shingle. Even these little... This is cool. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, nice fish. Nice. Oh, I'm trying not to let it run round the whole pool. It's a takeable fish. That's a beauty. Put the camera off for a minute and take a picture. This one I'm going to release. Oh. Oh yes. Another nice brownie. Not as big as the last one, but very nice. Put it back in the net. That is a beautiful scene up there. Good looking pool. Okay. Maybe like 24 centimetres. See that? That. Go back to catch the small ones. Head up with these big ones. See if I can get some more fish. Okay, I'm gonna get down to the river. Some of these runs look okay. 100 metres. So nice stretches, maybe more. Fish it. Not too little. When he saw that. Nice fish. Maybe the fact I couldn't see him helped. Couldn't see him.